Alright, listen, there's a very specific feeling when you sit down at a desk and realize nothing in front of you is going to be the bottleneck anymore. That's the moment the Panorama XL enters the picture. This is for you if you're the kind of person who already knows what top-tier performance feels like, and refuses to dilute it. You're not chasing numbers for fun. You want authority over your setup. You want everything you do to feel instant, controlled, and future-proofed in a way that makes compromise feel outdated. Before you go further, check the current price and availability. Systems built at this level don't follow gentle pricing patterns, and waiting usually means paying for hesitation. You probably remember when the upgrade became unavoidable. Maybe your old high-end rig was still strong, but cracks started showing. Heavy workloads stacked up. Newer games pushed harder. Multitasking felt less graceful than it used to. You realized you weren't falling behind, the bar had moved, and your system hadn't followed. The first thing you feel after switching is dominance. Not noise. Not chaos. Just calm, overwhelming capability. Everything launches instantly. Massive projects open without hesitation. You stop managing resources because there's no reason to anymore. That background anxiety about limits disappears completely. Gaming feels unreal in the best way. Ultra settings stop being a question. Editing, rendering, compiling, streaming, all at once, feels smooth instead of ambitious. Even everyday desktop use feels different, like the system is idling far above your needs, waiting patiently for you to push it. And don't assume you can wait this out. High-end pre-builts like this react sharply to demand shifts. Stock dries up, prices jump, and suddenly the window you had is gone. If you're wondering whether this is too much, that thought doesn't survive real use. This isn't excess, it's headroom. It's knowing that whatever you want to do next year, or the year after, won't force another upgrade conversation. Here's the unexpected part. Owning it changes your mindset. You plan bigger. You push harder. You stop second-guessing ideas because your system won't hold you back. There's pride in that, not loud pride, but quiet certainty. Power that never feels strained, workflows that stay fluid, gaming without visual compromise. A system that feels untouchable requires serious space. Premium performance commands a premium. Eventually, comparison becomes pointless. You stop asking what's enough and start choosing what you actually wanted all along. Check the price while it's available, make the decision with confidence, and don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you delay, then regret every time your current system reminds you it already reached its ceiling.